So two of the bolts, they're spinning in the back, so we're using this nut buster where it drives a wedge in there and splitting the nuts. So we got one of them, we got one more to go. It's kind of hard to even get this in position, but there's no other tool because there's a steel beam here on this side, there's an air tank coming up from the other side, and a bunch of valves. It's obviously the hardest ones to get to.
A little bit on the out. Not much on the end, nothing on the end.
You back there on the inner one still?
No.
You do the inner one by hand?
Yeah, I used a wrench. A little bit out of bounds.
Yeah, I think I'm
So I was working on that radius rod. Got the airbags off.
It's just pouring rust out of the holes as comes out.
Yeah, we got a problem too where one of them just broke off up there. Not from us, it came in like that. Hopefully we'll be able to get that out.
It comes right off, huh? Oh. Oh.
Want a bigger piper?
I don't know that I got the room for a bigger one down here. The broken one moves a lot easier. It's got some nasty looking peaks to it.
I'm gonna pound it back on with that oil in it, and then maybe it'll.
I don't really want to pound it back on with how much I fought to get it to this point.
What sucks?
Chisel that.
You can see how deformed that is. How it was twisting on there. Both sides. It's very ovaled out. It was sticking out just a tiny bit, and we were able to get the pipe wrench on it.
Oh, great.
And it's coming out. That's unbelievable. Tyler, when he said if the pipe wrench gets us, he's having a victory beer for lunch. I thought that was going to be about 8 hours worth of work right there.
Still gotta go find another bolt for it, but that's not gonna be a problem.
Impressive. Yep, and this tag bag is pretty nasty too. That's what puts the pressure on the tag. So the airbag gets air pressure in it and it drives the tag down into the pavement. Well, now we think that that bolt broke off, the one on the right, because it was under stress. There's a lot of wear on there, and look at the other one, how the threads are all gone. It was just loose in there and vibrating around, and
Yeah.
it's thinned it out to the side severely.
Yeah.
That whole pin needs to be replaced. So that pin up there is removable, replaceable. We found a new old stock one. We're going to replace it. Chris Newton had that. He's going to send it to us. I need to do some measuring because this radius rod has actually been welded back together. So it might not even be the correct length. But we're getting into it. We've ordered other parts, and The new shocks and all that stuff will be here on Wednesday of this week. So we're kind of just waiting on parts now, but we do have both tag axle airbags are on, and this side we had to get the longer bolts because it's got block off plates. So we're making progress though.